Weld N Wheelies and the bait boys. Holla boy out here with the Florida bait boys, the Florida fish boys. Out here catching some bait for the pond. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
What are these, Austin?
Second cast.
Tilapia.
We got one more tilapia.
Little baby.
At least a pound. Look at that. That was a nice one. That was the first pancake all day.
Donuts, bud.
What you doing, Dill? Or Till? Nice. Through the trees.
Freaking out on him.
Dylan done cussed the fucking game warden out. Got us kicked out from here. Shit. We gotta hit the next place. Jesus, man. When's the last time you seen your therapist?
A couple days ago, bitch.
A couple days ago? I think it's time for another appointment, man. That guy did not deserve that. I promise you. He didn't deserve it.
Kick this fucking old ass, dude.
That old man did not deserve it, dude.
Wash your ass down. I got a fishing club. I don't give a fuck.
Bro, that Navy veteran will put them things on you, boy. That Navy veteran gonna put them bangers on you. Oh shoot.
I don't give a fuck.
You gonna be, by the end of it, you gonna be telling them, I'm sorry, sir. Let's see what we got. All right, all right. I'm over here fucking with minnows in the net. Look what they put up in the cast net. That'd be nice for the bait pond.
Bass been running too.
He gonna have some food minnows in there too. All right, Till, show us how it's done. My man out here feeding all the ducks. Keep them over there so they stay away from my bait. He's now going to attempt his 14th cast throw of the evening. And look at the distance on that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Till he bringing the bass out that thing.
Yeah, we gotta go. Come on. You gotta go.
What we got there?
Little warmouth.
Little warmouth. Y'all, we putting all the bait we just caught in a 10,000 gallon bait pond.
Monster paw. Go ahead and put the bass off in there.
What we got in there?
That's Thorfin, the new addition.
Thorfin. See how he likes it. Oh yeah, he's gonna love his new home. Yeah, he likes that one. He gonna swim around, check it all out. What we got going in next?
Bluegill.
A bluegill and 2 grass shrimp. They gone.
Grass shrimp, ghost shrimp, same thing.
There go the bluegill.
Yeti or some fish in there too. Look good.
Oh,
Another little bluegill.
don't worry, no animals were harmed in the making of this video. A little dirty bluegill.
Oh.
Let's clean her off. Clean her off a little bit. Look at that. All right. See how she likes her new home. Yeah. She loves it.
She gone.
That's awesome. Dill, what's next?
Big old sunfish.
Nice sunfish. Look at that. Going home. Just chilling. She's in no hurry.
I like it right here.
They all got acquainted in the bucket.
Yeah.
What we got there?
Hold on. Oh, man. Put them in the bait pond.
Chub.
I want the chubs in the bait pond.
Well, one chub in the big pond. Supposed to go to the bait pond. What we got here, Dill?
Tilapia.
We got a baby tilapia. Another baby tilapia.
Here's your
Chub.
Austin.
Bait pond chub, right?
Here.
We got to bring the chub over here to the little bait pond. Snails out?
Yeah, it's got its arm out.
Oh, look. Snails out. Checking it out. Checking out the new home. What's going in the bait pond next? In the big pond next?
Two more tilapia.
2 tilapia.
And a minnow.
And a little baby minnow. That's okay.
I'm about to just dump the rest of them in.
All right, guys, we're going to do a dump. Let's see what happens. Minnows, minnows, minnows.
Yeah, minnows and babies out there, man.
We got another chub.
You gonna put them in?
Another chub. Let's walk them over there. Here, finish dumping the bucket.
I think this is the last big thing we got. One last tilapia.
One last tilapia. The rest is all minnows.
Oh, final guy.
Oh, what's that? A crawdad, right?
Yeah.
Little crawfish.
Get in there and find Daddy Crawl. We got one in there right there, so.
All right, now let's get the chub over to his home. Holding them in the water. Keep, ooh, send them home. Right in, right to the bottom. Checking out his new lovely home. This Tilly with the bait boys. This the mini pond for the minnows and the chubs. Dylan's out here checking on the big pond. Y'all seen all the fish that just came into it. They got bricks, underwater plants, turtle shell, PVC pipe, rocks, underwater plants. Pretty soon it'll be slap full of bait. And don't forget a dingo, old Jack boy. Once the fish be accustomed to being captive, they really pretty much just swim right up to you. Let you pet them, rub on them, and then you can let them go back to their fancy, lovely homes. More and more. If we ain't wheeling, we baiting.
Yeah, sir. Collab, baby.
Hey, kids get in free.
Yeah, you know, no, kids gotta pay, but the parents get in free.
Look, we even got us a goose. Look at that thing. Florida Bait Boys, I'm telling y'all, follow the page.
Taking back, mama.